everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to meet you again, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a character move in Godot 4. First of all, my version of Godot is Godot 4.1, and I'm gonna open it. And yes, here you can you should make a new project here, and the first one is the name of the project you want. For example, I will say it 8-way movement. 8-way movement. And here is the project path, the place you want your project. I'm gonna save it here, a new folder, 8-way movement. Here, first of all, the thing that you should know is about if you are a programmer or you want to be a programmer or work with Godot or any other game makers programs like Unity and others, you should know that you should be very clean. Your assets or your pictures should be in a folder, and your audios in another folder. Your scripts, your scenes in every of them should be in a separate folder. So I'm gonna create a folder named scripts, and then path, because you can see the here is 8-way movement script, and if I create a new folder, it's on my script folder. So I will choose go to parent folder, and here you can see my script folder, and this one scene again here, and I'm gonna assets or pictures, and then I will choose here select current folder, and there is an error that said that the selected path is not empty. Choose an empty folder is highly recommended. You can make your project first and then make your folders. It doesn't really matter, and I didn't have problem here because of the maximum high recommended and other things. So we are going to wait, and when your Godot is open, you can see open a tab like this. It's 3D, and we are going to work with 2D. So choose this one. And first of all, I'm going to tell you what are these things. Here, this folder is your file system. You can see your assets here, or for example, I'm gonna change it to here, and then you will see some, for example, scene. If you have any scene, you will see it like this, scripts, and you can see where is your it's the file that you your program is your project is on it. And here you can see the things that you have. This one is the most important tab we have. You will, for example, you can add a scripts here and do things here, and add your script, add your sprite here too. And this one is the thing that if you don't have any root node here, you don't see anything here. And these are the, for example, the scene, a new scene, open scene, save scene, and the other things. And project setting, that sets the layers. For example, you can set your layers here, or input map for making move. You will see in the order that we are going to use input map here. And here debug, editor, help, and the other, it's the 2D way, 2D your screen. The blue lines are the script, are your scene. Here is 3D, and here is the script. As you can see, I will create a script here, and if you say if you write create put create, you will see a script here, and it's as it sleeps. So we are going to have a introduction which the Godot works in the next video, so please don't please stay alive and subscribe.